How to set up your TradingView account. Number 1. Log into your TradingView account and click Products. Number 2. Under Products, choose Charts. Number 3. Change your currency. Number 4. Type DXY to choose US dollar index and hit enter. Number 5. Click Indicators and type Keltner channel. Click it 2 times. Number 6. Next, type daily high low and hit once. Number 7. Type RSI with MA and EMA and hit once. Number 8. Click Keltner channel setting and edit style. Change upper to red. Uncheck basis. Change lower color to green. Then uncheck background color. Number 9. Under inputs, change length to 50 and multiplier to 3.75. Then hit OK. Number 10. Click the settings of the second Keltner channel indicator. Click Style and change color. Upper is red. Uncheck basis. Lower is green. Then uncheck background. Number 11. Go to Input. Change length to 50. Multiplier to 5. Then hit OK. Number 12. Go to Daily High-Low Indicator settings. Click Style. Change color of previous daily high and previous daily low to yellow. Then hit OK. Number 13. If you want to change the theme to dark mode, click Username logo. Turn on dark mode. Then hit Yes. Number 14. Select Layout. Choose 3 split chart setting. Number 15. To create British Pounds Index, hit chart number 2. Click symbol search. Then type GBP/USD times GBP/CHF times GBP/JPY times GBP/CAD times GBP/AUD times GBP/NZD times GBP/UR. Then hit enter. Number 16. Click on the third chart. Go to symbol search. Type GBP/USD. Then hit enter. Congratulations! Your TradingView British Pounds Index setup is now ready.